respected judges, all the guests, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, we are here to show our unity with innocent Kashmiris, the Kashmiris who lived in the most beautiful place of the earth, Kashmir. The Kashmir, which is called the heaven on the earth, is now burning. But Kashmir will not give up like Palestine. Kashmir will become Pakistan. As we all know, the Kashmir issue started soon after the independence in 1947 between the Kashmiri freedom fighters and Indian army because India never stand by their promises. And from that time, massive numbers of Indian Kashmiri freedom fighters and Indian army because India never stand by their promises. And from that time, massive number of Indian troops are killing innocent Kashmiris and committing great atrocities on the freedom fighter. Dear listeners, Kashmir issue has been the main bone of contention between two neighbors, India and Pakistan. As Pakistan always supported the freedom struggle of Kashmiris and forced India to resolve the issue by dialogue and table talk. But India never gave any positive response to the solution. Even Pakistan has took the issue to UN several times, but Indian government never took the issue seriously. They refused every solution to the problem. Honorable judges, the Indians want to merge Kashmir with India, but Kashmiris want to live with Pakistan, as they are Muslim and have natural affinity to them. So the claim of Pakistan is logical and solid. Respected judges, the struggle in Kashmir has been going on more than 64 years. The people of Kashmir have suffered immensely by the barbaric Indian troops and Islamophobic government. But now, illegal detentions, ruthless killing, harsh punishments and tortures must come to an end. Kashmir was, is and will remain a part of Pakistan. Pakistan stands with the people of Kashmir and exhibit its support for their human, civil and legal rights. Respected guests, our Prime Minister has made it clear in the honorable forum that if the time comes, we will fight for our Kashmiri brothers and sisters, and then Kashmir will become a part of Pakistan, inshallah. In the end, I want to end my speech with verses penned by Ahmad Faraz for Kashmir, the burning heaven. Blooms that black in shade of years, fill the way with blood and tears. Hope they carry have killed the fear. Have they tried to watch with ears? Behind the mask of peace it wears. Will they find a world that here? Prayers and wishes of all its dear. World to feel the pain its fear. World to keep the peace it wear. Will be free from horror that near. Will be free from horror that near. Long live Pakistan. Thank you.